slightly. And what you can see here is you've got your return to home. So there's two options here. There's something called the preset turn to home. And this means that when there's enough light, etc., the drone will rise up, and if you just scroll down slightly, it will rise up to the minimum return to home altitude. So here, the minimum return to home altitude we have set is 40 meters. So that means the drone will rise up to 40 meters, and then it will return to home. If you're flying in a sort of a housing estate or area where there's lots of trees around here, then yeah, you want to have a return to home above 10 meters at least, so 40 gives you a good clearance. It may be that if you're in a town or city, you may need to go about 60 or something if you've got blocks of flats, etc. So that's always something to keep in mind. And you've also got the direct landing, which is selected here. This means that when the aircraft gets back to its home point location, it will directly land. So it will hover, and you'll see that when we do land, you'll see the footprint of the aircraft, and then it will just land down. And that's probably one reason why I don't really use the change home point to aircraft location, because I don't want it to fly off when I press return to home and then land in a tree, because that's where I've told it to. So I do the direct landing so that I can see where it's landing on a pad or like our usual manhole cover over there. But what you can do, if there's enough light, is you can click on Optimal. And this is where you're going to see that sort of green line, etc., when it comes back. So it will automatically fly a return to home route. So in adequate lighting conditions, it will decide the route that it's going to come back. And then it will just land. And that's usually what I use. I usually use Optimal, but sometimes I just have it on preset. Sometimes if I'm doing a mapping mission and there are obstacles in the way because of where I'm doing the mapping mission, I might sometimes just say, right, I'll do preset so I know it's going to go to 40 meters above the ground and then fly to the home point rather than wanting it to use its own AI and judge how it's going to fly, because it may be weaving around trees and things like that. I don't know. But yeah, I've got it set to preset here. So it's up to you, whichever one you wish to use.